Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm sat in the new Porsche 911 GTS and next to me is an old Porsche 911. Seems a bit unfair. Let's find out about that old Porsche. Let's speak to its owner. It's Richard Morgan from Electric Classic Cars. So Richard, tell me about that Porsche.
It's special, just like me, Matt. What we've done is do our usual silliness and put a Tesla motor in the back.
Before we race, let's start off with the customary CarWow sound check. Oh yes, I'm going to win this. Why won't it just let you rev it all the way up? It's not the best sound in the world, but it's better than that. Okay. Richard, you need to make some sounds because your car doesn't make any noise. So go on, do some weird noises just to make people laugh.
Take me home, country road, to the place I belong.
Now stop now, because we're going to get copyrighted. That's enough. There we go. Don't want John Denver issuing a copyright strike against this video. Right. You know what the next thing to do is? We've got to warm up our tyres. I'm going to go first. This GTS apparently comes with Porsche torque vectoring. Looks like it comes with Porsche understeering. Oh dear, Watson.
Oh, that's enough.
Whee! Oh yeah, baby. Hi, hi. Now the trick is to roll back into position like I meant that manoeuvre. Oh yeah, I meant all that. I meant to spin. It was all part of the plan.
That looked like fun.
Go on, Richard, give us an example of electric power. Look at this. Oh, that was the wrong thing to do. It's now coming to the car. Oh, that tastes horrible. Oh my God, that is freaking amazing. Could you see where you were going there? Right, let's race. Now I'm going to use the soft limiters like a launch control in this manual and then just dump the clutch, see what happens. Got stability off so it doesn't bog down. 3, 2, 1. Bit of a bog down, I'm off now though.
Poor start by me!
Oh, it's come back at me. This is so close! Oh no! Whoa! Bit of a bog down. He was struggling off the line, then came past, and then I came past again. Richard, what happened? I thought you were going to go quicker off the line.
That's technically what's known in the trade as fluffing up your start.
I was so pleased with myself that I won that. So go on, say the words you want to say.
Let's have another go.
Let's have another go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he beat me off the line that time.
That's better.
Come on, do good gear changes.
See you later, boy.
Oh, come in now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, your start was better then.
Oh, yeah, that was a better one. I like that start. That was spot on, mate. We took off exactly the same time.
Do you know what I'm going to say? The words I'm going to say now, though. Guess what they are?
Is it make up a sentence of let's have another go?
It's basically best 2 out of 3, right? Because we've both won one race. Let's find out with the decider.
3, 2, 1.
Go on, go, 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 go.
Come on, petrol power!
He's got it.
Very good launch. You got ahead at one stage, I think ever so slightly, but then no.
Launch-wise, I think we probably got about as good a launch as we can both get on that one.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the 911 GTS won, completing the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds, while the electric 911 took 12.6 seconds. Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour. See which car is the quickest to the quarter mile, then the half mile, and then the mile. Let's do it. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
It's coming past me there. So that is the quarter mile. Now I'm dropping him. No point going to the mile. Dropped. I thought you'd pick up a lot quicker than that.
that wasn't as quick as I was hoping for. Let me just change a parameter if you don't mind.
Okay, now that Richard has changed the parameter, we are going to do another rolling race, 30 miles an hour. I'm in third gear. I'll count it in. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, his parameter worked.
Yeah, that's better.
Can I catch him before the half mile?
Oh, come on. Oh, he just got me in the half mile.
You changed a parameter. What was that parameter?
So there's a difference between moggy crazy parameter set and customer parameter set. I always dial it back a little bit when I deliver these cars to customers, and I forgot all about that, so I needed to turn it back up to 11 for moggy crazy mode, which is what I've done.
Okay, now that Rich has set his Porsche to full power, we're going to have another drag race. See how much difference it makes.
3, 2, 1.
It's a good one. Oh, he's coming now. Oh, come on, petrol power. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, come on! Oh, got him, got him, got him!
Oh, that was so good, that race. That was so good. So you were down on power, clearly, but not by much. Did you win?
Oh, of course I won there, mate. No question.
Oh. So then, what exactly happened this time? Well, both cars did the quarter mile in 12.2 seconds, but it was so close on the line, I want you to vote in our pinned comment to decide which of the cars actually crossed the line first. Okay, now we have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. Which car will stop in the shortest distance? Here it is now. Rich, I don't think your car has ABS, does it?
You know, I like doing burnouts. I think that's the longest brake burnout I've ever done.
Oh my God. I'll tell you what, we seem to stop at a similar rate at first, but obviously that doesn't have ABS. That was so shocking. Shows you the benefit of ABS really, doesn't it? That's absolutely nuts. Oh my gosh.